November the 20th, 2016. A powerful 6.4 magnitude earthquake has struck Argentina. It is the second quake to hit the region in 8 days. The quake hit southwest of San Juan and was felt as far as Chile in 1319. Now I tell you before it come, that when it is come to pass, ye may believe that I am he.
Quake is coming to Argentina and to South America. Here to tell you it's time to get saved. Un gran terremoto está liando Argentina. Major earthquake is coming.
Earthquake is coming.
Yes.
Earthquake is coming for Argentina. Turn to Jesus and turn before it's too late.
Yes.